Welcome to Yoga for Inner Strength. This is our last flow in the Fill Your Cup series, and it's based on Sun Salutation B. Let's begin standing at the top of your mat. Relax your shoulders, ground down through your feet, and breathe. Slightly lift your left leg to carefully press the tops of your left toes into the mat, feeling a stretch in your foot. Now cross left leg over right. Reach your arms high, right hand to left wrist as you stretch over to the right side. Return to center and other side. Press your right toes into the mat first. Then cross your right leg over your left and side stretch. Left hand holds right wrist as you stretch over to the left. Return to center and begin to swing your arms from side to side for a gentle twist. Back to center, and let's begin with our first round. Inhale to chair, arms reach high, and with your next exhale, forward fold, soft bend in your knees. Inhale halfway up, exhale step back to plank. First vinyasa, inhale shift forward, drop your knees, exhale chaturanga. Inhale up dog, and exhale downward facing dog. Take a moment to pedal out your legs, warming up. Come to stillness and step your right foot forward for warrior one. Inhale to rise, arms lift. Exhale, ground your hands, step back to plank and take a vinyasa. Option to keep your knees lifted this time. Chaturanga, up dog, and downward facing dog. Warrior one, step your left foot forward. Inhale to rise. Exhale, ground your hands, step back to plank. And vinyasa on your own. From your downward dog, step forward into a half forward fold. Exhale, fold down. Inhale to chair, arms lift. Exhale, Tadasana, hands to heart. Let's do this again and we'll add on. Inhale to chair, arms lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale halfway. Exhale, step back to plank and take a vinyasa. If this ever gets too much, feel free to go from plank to downward dog. Now, warrior one, right foot forward. Inhale, arms lift. Exhale, interlace your hands behind your back as you turn your back toes forward, high lunge. Inhale for a mini back bend. Exhale, fold, belly to thigh. Lower your back knee to the mat. Inhale, small back bend in low lunge. Exhale, fold. Lift your back knee. Inhale to rise. And you've got two options. Place your right hand to your right hip or to your back leg, and then reach your left arm back for a stretch. Inhale to center, both arms lift. Exhale, ground your hands. Step back to plank and take a vinyasa. Warrior 1, left foot forward. Inhale to lift. Exhale, interlace your hands and turn your back toes forward. Inhale, small back bend. Exhale, fold. Lower your back knee down, low lunge. Inhale, small back bend. Exhale, fold. Lift your back knee. Inhale to rise. And again, 2 options. Left hand to your left hip or to your back thigh. And then reach your other arm back for a stretch. Inhale to center, arms high. Exhale, ground. Step back to plank. And vinyasa. Take a breath and step forward. Inhale halfway, exhale fold. Inhale to chair, exhale Tadasana, hands to heart. Last round, stay strong. Inhale to chair, exhale fold. Inhale halfway, exhale step back to plank for your vinyasa. Warrior 1, right foot forward. Inhale to rise. Exhale, interlace your hands, high lunge. Inhale, mini back bend. Exhale, fold. Lower your back knee. Inhale to rise, shine your heart open. Exhale, fold. Lift your back leg. Inhale, rise. Reach both arms high. And Warrior 3, float your left leg up. Try to keep your arms forward. Then ground your fingertips for support in our Shiva Squats. Draw your left knee behind your right, bending both knees. And extend. 3 more. Inhale, bend. Exhale, extend. For 2. And with your last one, lower your left chin down to find a seated twist to the right. So your left leg is on the mat, your right knee points up, and you're twisting to the right side. To unwind and come to plank, I like to bring my right foot a bit to the right just to keep my knee straight as I step the left foot back. Then my right for plank. Take another vinyasa. And from down dog, we'll step the left foot forward for Warrior 1. Inhale to rise. Interlace your hands, high lunge. Inhale, small back bend. Exhale, fold, lower your back knee. Inhale to rise. Exhale, fold, lift your back knee. Inhale to rise, reach your arms high. And exhale, Warrior 3, right leg will lift. Lower your fingertips down and let's do our Shiva Squats. Inhale, bend your right knee behind your left. Exhale, extend. 3 more. Inhale and exhale. For 2. Last one, lower your right leg down and come into a seated twist to the left. Unwind, maybe adjust your front foot and step back to plank for our last vinyasa. Chaturanga, up dog, and downward facing dog. Well done. Forward fold, step forward. Inhale to chair. And exhale Tadasana. Inhale to lift your arms high. Exhale, fold down. Come into a comfortable seat and just rest here for a moment. Now for a side stretch, place your right hand down and stretch your left arm over to the right. Inhale to lift your left arm, exhale twist to the right. Turn forward and other side, side stretch to the left. Inhale to center and exhale, twist to the left. Inhale to center, lift your arms high, and exhale, hands to heart, full of gratitude for the strength that's always within you. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this class and the entire series, and I wish you a wonderful day.